What's up, everyone? QFC here. I'm here with the new fan. I got this Emerson Legend from Tomasarin. I'm pretty sure that's how you say his name. I'm not sure. But this is in polished brass. I put this light kit on it. I wanted this fan for a very long time. Now I finally have it. I got this in the fan trade. He packaged this so badly. And he forgot the blade screws. So yeah, I'm kind of disappointed with him. Like, no, I'm actually really mad at him, but let's start the fan off on low. But thank you for the fan though. You suck, but still. It's installed in my brother's room. This is from somewhere around April 1992. And the light kit's also from 1992. Let's go to medium. He forgot like majority of the screws in the mounting bracket. It blows a great amount of air actually. Up to high speed. Thing flies. It blows an amazing amount of air too. It makes a cool sound. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but all right, let's turn it off.